I want to welcome y'all back to the channel, Third Generation Clothing YouTube channel. Today's going to be a little different, something different from what I normally do. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to drain your washing machine. When it get clogged up and it won't fully go through the whole cycle, it keeps stopping. So we're going to go ahead and just drain it. So we're going to go take out the little filter and everything and take it out. So the type of washing machine this is, it's a Kenmore HE-3 edition. I'm not sure the year, what year it was put out. But so what we're going to do now is just go ahead and take it through the steps, take it through the process. Yeah, okay. So it's like a star head. Here's the panel right here. It came off of it. Alright. So what I need to do first is have my little drain pan. Let's see, I got my drain pan. I put it over here. Because I know once I get ready to take this little filter off right here, it's going to need to be drained out. So all types of stuff might come out of it. So I'm going to use my star head screwdriver. Go down in there. Go ahead and loosen it up. And just be prepared for what come out. So we got that off. Go ahead and try to loosen it up. Okay. So you want to kind of be careful of these little wires right here too. You don't want to really damage them, because you don't feel like repairing later. So what I'm pretty much do, like I said, go ahead and open this up and just let it drain out. And depending on how often you do this, depending on how bad it smells, because it smells terrible. So I'm just basically letting it drain. And once it drains, I'm going to come back and go ahead and open it up. Because I'm going to have to let it drain for at least 10-15 minutes. And then come back and open it up and show you what's inside. Okay. Now that I think that I got all the water out of it, I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see all the stuff that's in it. Now, you got to be careful when you're washing your clothes and you're using... you washing your clothes and you have them small baby socks and you have paper in your pocket, you wash it, and sometimes that stuff gets stuck in the drain, the filter, where the water runs out, and that's what can cause this problem right here. So like I said, we're just gonna look in here and see exactly what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, see how the water out of it. That's what it looks like. That's your little filter. From what I can see. That's the filter. That's all the stuff that get caught in your washer when you're washing. And then sometimes it stops draining. Then sometimes it's the detergent too. So you gotta be careful on what type of detergent you use. See, like I said, we got some paper right here. So yeah. But yep, this your filter right here. This is everything that get caught that can't go down the drain. Yeah, I don't know. I think this is a brag or something. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and clean this filter out, and I'm gonna come back. We're gonna put it back in, install it. That's a little filter. That's the So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that filter, and we're gonna come back and I'm gonna install it back in. Okay, so now we back. Now we have cleaned out the filter. Ain't no gunk or nothing left in there. So we should be good and ready to go ahead and install it back in. And then we're gonna actually do a whole cycle to make sure it's draining out properly. Because normally without this procedure done, it won't complete its full cycle. So that's why I noticed something was going on, and I was like, okay, let me check the filter and see if the filter clean where the water can drain out. So here we is. So okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this in, and then we're gonna take it through the whole cycle, and we're gonna show y'all the little quick process of taking it through a cycle. Make sure it's draining out, and yeah, that's we're gonna go from there. So going ahead, and I'm not sure about the model of the other models or whatever, but I know this model has this little plastic bar on the top of it, so I'm gonna have to put the camera down and go ahead and screw it in, and then I'll show me locking it down and everything, putting everything back together now. I got the top back on, just trying to lock it back in place. Alright. So now what we're gonna do is get our little screw, put our screw back in it. Go ahead and screw it back down. And you want to make sure your top is on there good, because like I said, you're dealing with water, and you want to make sure that's on tight, because you don't want it kind of leaking out, and here you is washing clothes and not knowing that you got a floor under the washing machine full of water because you didn't tighten up the top properly. So make sure that's on good, tight. So yeah, that's pretty much how that go. And I'm gonna just go ahead and put the little door back on there and show you we putting the door back on so you can see that. So we got the door back on. Okay, so now that we got our door back on, we're gonna go ahead and run it through the whole process and make sure everything is draining out properly. It's draining right now. Alright, we're going to come back when it's closer to the end. Got 12 minutes left. Alright, so we're on our final drain. So it's draining right now. I just want to come back and let y'all see it. It is working properly, working good. And I appreciate y'all for watching the channel. Alright.